If you need to cancel your Discord subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord app on your device or visit the Discord website and log into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Go to User Settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon User Settings at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Subscriptions. In the User Settings menu, look for the Subscriptions tab, usually found in the left sidebar. Click on it to view your active subscriptions. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Find the specific subscription you wish to cancel. Click on it to open the subscription details and look for the cancellation option. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of your subscription. Make sure to read any information provided regarding the cancellation process and confirm your choice. After completing these steps, your Discord subscription will be cancelled. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Discord support for assistance.